Hi, this is Navjot Kaur. I'm back with one another blog. In this video, I'm gonna answer some basic questions related to James Webb Telescope. Yes, this Christmas is very special for every astrophile because finally NASA is going to launch James Webb Telescope this year. So the first question is, what's this telescope? Its largest telescope, which will extend the discoveries of Hubble Space Telescope, and it has longer infrared wavelength, and it will explore the study related to first galaxy that formed in early universe. Next, when it will be launched. Webb telescope will launch on December 25th at European spaceport in French Guiana at 7:20 a.m. Who was James E. Webb? James E. Webb was NASA's second administrator who was involved in various lunar exploration programs like Apollo. So the next question is how James Webb is different from Hubble Space Telescope. James Webb Telescope is much larger than Hubble Space Telescope. It has a primary mirror which has largest diameter than Hubble Space Telescope, and it has more light gathering capacity, and telescope will operate much farther than Hubble telescope from Earth. And next question, how will Webb communicate with scientists at Earth? Webb telescope will send science and engineering data by using radio transmitter, and communication will be maintained at Space Telescope Science Institute in Maryland, USA. Next question, how long will it take to reach at its destination? Webb telescope will orbit around second Lagrange point L2, which is about 1.5 million kilometer away from Earth, and Webb telescope will cover its journey in about 6 months. Next question, what are the components of JWST? It consists of 18 hexagonal mirrors which are made up of gold plated beryllium. Next, it contains near infrared cameras and near infrared spectrographs, sun shield, and optical space element. Next, which spacecraft is designed for James Webb Telescope? Ariane 5 ECA rocket. Yes, which was developed by European Space Agency, and it is capable of carry a payload of about 10 tons metric to geostationary transfer orbit, and about 20 metric tons to from low earth orbit. Next, why is Webb an infrared telescope? This is an important question because at only infrared wavelength we are able to see our first galaxy, first star, and that formed after Big Bang. And this is the primary goal of this telescope, to study about galaxy, star, and planet formation in the early universe. So these are the some questions related to JWST. At last, heartiest congratulations to NASA, European Space Agency, and Canadian Space Agency who developed such an amazing telescope, and salute to the great efforts of engineers. So let's wait for the wonderful results in future. And I'll keep updating you regarding the information provided by James Webb Telescope. Thank you.